So this is the last video lecture, as I told you, right? And we are also going to solve a nice example, right? जो last exam में आया था और सबको problem हुआ था half stage जाके, right? Because the assumption is very awkward and you don't have any idea for that, right? Starting is very easy. This is cube root 10x. So what to do? 10x is equal to t cube लेंगे, वो तो आपको पता है. तो we assume first 10x is equal to t cubes, right? That is very easy. Okay. See now आगे आगे देखो होता है क्या, right? And I know this my board for this question is just like a Sarja's ground, right? So from starting I'm writing with small letters. Okay. So please sorry for that. Okay. So let 10x is equal to t cube. So derivative of this is sec square x dx. So sec square x dx is equal to 3t square dt. Right? Now we want this also in square, in t, not in x. Now sec square x is 1 plus 10 square x. So what we get? 1 plus 10 square x. Right? dx is equal to 3t square dt. Now 10x is equal to t cube. So 10x raised to 10x is t cube. So t cube square is t raised to 6. So we get 1 plus t cube square, right? dx is equal to 3t square dt. Now substituting these all values here, right? देखो क्या छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल था, छोटा सा नन्हा सा मुन्ना सा एग्जाम्पल था, राइट? मगर ये बच्चा बहुत ही आगे जाके बड़ा होके भीम जैसा बन गया, राइट? बाहुबली जैसा हो जाएगा. देखो, सो therefore I is equal to integration. Now this is cube root of 10x, that is cube root of t cube, and dx is 3t square upon this, right? So dx is 3t square upon 1 plus t cube square and dt, t cube square and dt. Any problem? Anybody? Okay. Now see, this is t, right? So integration, this is t, 3, this is t, okay? And then 3t square whole upon, this is 1 plus, can I write like this, t square is to 3 dt. This is the divergence step, right? Now assuming t square is equal to theta, right? So let this is your divergence step, right? यहाँ से आगे सबका जो कार है, राइट, जो स्पीड है वो ब्रेक हो गई थी यहां से ही. यही डाइवर्जन का था, क्योंकि सपोज you want to assume t cube is equal to t, that is theta, the derivative 3t square is there. But what about if you take t cube is equal to theta? If you take t cube is equal to theta, then what is theta is equal, t is equal to theta raised to 1 upon 3. So you have to write cube root of theta again. So what is this? Again cube root. हम तो क्यूब रूट को भगाना चाहते हैं, राइट? सो वो एज्यूम नहीं कर सकते. सो योर assumption for this is wrong. So what you have to do now? T square. If we take t square is equal to theta, then t is equal to, right? You can write 2t dt. You get 2t dt. So 2t dt and t square is theta. So that is the proper assumption. Got it? क्यों हमने ये assumption नहीं लिया? क्यों ये assume नहीं किया? क्यों ये लेट नहीं किया? पता चला ना? Right? If we take t cube is equal to theta, then we have problem, and if we take t square is equal to theta, then everything is settled. So this is your divergence step for exam, right? So keep attention here, right? So this is important step. Got it? So क्यों ये नहीं लिया पता चल गया, right? ये कभी जगह काम में आएंगे, इसलिए मैं ये निकाल देता हूँ, right? Now so assuming t square is equal to theta, so I am writing here let t square is equal to theta. So derivative is twice t dt is d theta, right? So we have only t dt. This is t dt is here, so t dt will be, t dt is half d theta. 3 is already there, so writing 3 already there, so outside the integral sign, so this becomes t by 3 by 2. Now t theta is half d theta and t square is theta, so this is integration theta upon 1 plus t square is theta, so this is theta cube, and t dt is half, that is here, and remaining is only d theta. Remaining is only d theta. And this type of question we did in previous videos, right? Theta upon 1 plus theta cube, right? So solving this example, right? What we get, 3 by 2 integration, this is theta, this is a cube plus b cube, that is 1 plus theta into theta square minus theta plus 1 d theta, right? So this is linear, this is quadratic, so applying partial fraction method, right? This is proportional function also, that's why, so applying partial fraction method, right? Theta upon 1 plus theta into theta square minus theta plus 1 is equal to a upon 1 plus theta and plus quadratic always expressed in bx plus c form. So I am writing b theta because this is theta plus c upon theta square minus theta plus 1, right? ये आपको पता है, right? Now taking LCM, what we get, theta is equal to a theta square minus theta plus 1 plus 1 plus theta into d theta plus c. Taking theta is equal to minus 1, what we get, theta is equal to minus 1, this implies minus 1 is equal to a. Now minus 1 square is 1 and minus 1 is plus 1, so 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3, so this is 3, and if we substitute theta here, minus 1, then answer is 0, so we get answer of a is 1 upon 3, right? Answer a is 1 upon 3, right? Now taking random values, so first we are going to take theta is equal to 0 as usual, so theta is equal to 0, that is 0 is equal to a, 0 0 1, so now I am not writing, theta is 0, so 1, and theta 0, so c, so answer of c is minus a, that is c is again minus 1 upon 3, c is minus 1 upon 3, now b is remaining, so taking theta is equal to 1, so taking theta is equal to 1, we get 1 is equal to a, 1 minus 1 0 plus 1 a, plus theta is equal to 1, that is 2, and b plus c, right? So we get 1 is equal to a is 1 upon 3 plus 2b plus 2c, but c is minus 1 upon 3, so minus 2 by 3. This is 1 minus 2 is minus 1 upon 3, so this is 1 is equal to minus 1 upon 3 plus twice b, so minus comes here plus, so 1 plus 1 upon 3 is 4 by 3, so twice b is equal to 4 by 3, that is b is equal to 2 by 3. So substituting these all values of a, b and c here, and this is nothing but your I, but in I there is a 3 by 2 in equation number 1. So from 1 what do you get? I is equal to 3 by 2 is outside, right? Then integration. Now this is here. So a upon 1 plus theta. What is a? 1 upon 3. So 1 upon 3 upon 1 plus theta d theta. Sorry, I am writing not theta here now. Plus b theta plus c, b is 2 by 3, so this is 2 by 3 theta plus c, c is minus 1 upon 3 upon theta square minus theta plus 1 and d theta, right? So multiplying this, right, what we get, these 3 will be cut, so we get 1 upon 2 integration 1 upon theta plus 1 d theta, right? Now here derivative of this is theta square, derivative is 2 theta is here, so we take 3 common and multiply with this, what we get, 3 will be cut, so plus 1 upon 2 integration, this is 2 theta, so derivative of theta is theta square is 2 theta, got it? ये जो है थीटा स्क्वायर इसका डेरिवेटिव 2 थीटा आता है, इसमें से 3 कॉमन लिया तो वो 3 इस 3/2 के साथ कैंसिल हो जाएगा, सो 1/2 इज रिमेनिंग एंड हियर -1 इज रिमेनिंग, here -1 is remaining if we take this common, right? So this upon this is theta square minus theta plus 1 d theta, got it? 1/3 common लिया, वो इसके साथ कैंसिल हो गया, 1/3, so this is 2, right? 1/2 2 theta minus 1 upon theta square minus theta plus 1, we get the value like this, got it? Any problem? पता चला? Now we have C is -1/3. A is, what is the answer of A? A is, oh, we are making here some mistake. So A is -1/3. So if A is -1/3, then C is +1/3, right? And A is -1/3. So this is -3/3. That is -1. -1, so 1 plus 1 is 2, so twice b is equal to 2, so what we get again, but c is again plus, so this is plus 2/3, so 2 minus 1 is 1, so this is 1/3, right? So 1 minus 1/3 is 2/3, so b is 1/3, right? So a is -1/3, right? That is the correct answer. Now b is value of b is plus 1/3 and c is also plus 1/3, right? So according to that a is minus, so no problem here, this is minus, but b is 1/3, right? So this is not 2 but this is 1/3, and c is also 1/3, so this is plus, so this is plus 1/3. So if we multiply, then what we get here, minus, that is okay. Now taking 1/3 common, what we get, 1/3 common means 3 cut, 1/2 as it is. So we get theta plus 1 here only. What we get, theta plus 1 only. So that's why I'm thinking why this is इतना जल्दी क्यों आ गया, क्योंकि एग्जाम पूरा हो जाता था, अभी तो ये पूरा भी कब पड़ेगा, right? See now. Okay, sorry, we make a mistake for writing a value, right? So plus minus mistake is there. Okay, now this is derivative of theta square is 2 theta, so divide and multiply by 2, we get 1/4 here, right? What we get, 1/4, so I will be -1/2 integration 1/theta plus 1 d theta, right? And then this is plus 1/4, we are multiply by 2 and divide by 2, so 2 theta plus 2, so this is 2 theta plus 2 whole upon theta square minus theta plus 1 d theta, so this is -1/2 integration 1/theta plus 1 d theta plus 1/4, this is 2 theta minus 1 we require, derivative of this is -1, so we separating 1, we have to add 1, that is +3, so +3 whole upon theta square minus theta plus 1 d theta, right? So again bifurcating this, we get -1/2 integration 1/theta plus 1 d theta plus 1/4 integration, this is 2 theta minus 1 upon theta square minus theta plus 1 d theta plus 3/4 integration 1 upon, now this is theta square minus theta plus 1, that is we get last term 1/4, so this is I have to write here because we need more space, so 3/4 integration 1 upon, this is theta square means theta minus middle term is minus, now we have to add 1/4, So 1 upon 4 plus 1 minus 1 upon 4 is the last term. So this is 1 upon 2 whole square. That is theta minus 1 upon 2 whole square. Right? And 1 minus 1 upon 4 is 3 by 4. That is plus root 3 by 2 whole square. Root 3 by 2 whole square. And this is d theta. So this is x square plus a square formula, that is tan inverse formula. Derivative of the denominator is in numerator, and this is log mode. So answer will be minus 1 upon 2 log mode theta plus 1 plus 1 upon 4 log mode theta square minus theta plus 1 and plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Right? Derivative, 1 upon x square plus a square, that is 1 upon a. 1 upon a is root 3 by 2 tan inverse, right, theta minus 1 upon 2 upon root 3 by 2 and plus c. So substituting value of theta. What is theta? Theta is here t square, right? So theta is t square. So substituting value of theta is t square is minus 1 upon 2 log t square plus 1 plus 1 upon 4 log. This is theta is t square. So this is t raised to 4. So t raised to 4 minus t square plus 1, right? And plus 3 by 4 have no space. So can I write here? Okay, I'm writing here. So plus, continue step. Okay. So plus, this is root 3 by 2, right? So plus root 3 by 2. Sorry, this is the mistake, right? मैंने आपको बोला था ये इसके भी बाहर निकल जाएगा, right? Log, this is tan inverse, right? This is 2 theta. Now theta is t square, so 2t square. So 2t square minus 1 whole upon root 3 plus c, right? This is continuous step from here. This is continuous step. So I am not writing I or whatever. Now t. What is t? So t cube is 10x. T cube is 10x. So t square is, see here, see, t cube is 10x. So what is t? T is 10x raised to 1 upon 3. T is 10x raised to 1 upon 3. So first answer, t square. So t square will be 10x raised to 2 by 3, and t raised to 4 will be 10x raised to 4 by 3. That is your answer that you have to write instead of t square and t raised to 4, right? So you will get your answer very easily, right? So what is your answer? Minus half log t square. T square is 10x raised to 2 by 3. Write down that, right? 2 by 3 plus 1 plus 1 upon 4 log t raised to 4. So t raised to 4 is 10x raised to 4 by 3, right? Minus t square is 10x raised to 2 by 3 plus 1, and remaining step is here plus 3 by 2 tan inverse 2 10x raised to 2 by 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus c, है ना? बहुत बड़ा है ना? शारजा के ग्राउंड जैसा ही, कुछ भी लगाओ सीधा छक्का निकल जाएगा ग्राउंड के बाहर रोड पे, राइट? तो हम रोड पे आ गए और पता भी नहीं चला, गेंद भी नहीं मिली, कहाँ गया बॉल पता ही नहीं है, वो आपको ढूंढना है कि आंसर कहाँ लिखना है, राइट? तो ये 4 मार्क्स का एग्जाम्पल था, इसको आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है। अभी 3 एमसीक्यू बाकी है, वो 3 एमसीक्यू सॉल्व कर लेते हैं इसी वीडियो में। जितना लेंथ हो जाए ये वीडियो का आपको बेयर करना पड़ेगा, राइट? सो गुजकेट का 3 एमसीक्यू बहुत ही इजी है, मैं आधा आधा छोड़ दूंगा आपके लिए, राइट? मगर स्पेस चाहिए, सो वेट। सो लास्ट 3 क्वेश्चन ऑफ आवर मिशन ऑफ सॉल्यूशन ऑफ बोर्ड क्वेश्चंस, राइट? So 84 integration x raised to 4 plus x square plus 1 upon x square plus 1. See, रेगुलर पेपर होगा, कितना इजी आंसर है क्वेश्चन होते हैं आपका, राइट? दिस इज I is equal to, taking x square common from this, what we get? X square common, that is x square plus 1 plus 1 whole upon x square plus 1 dx. Now I think no need to write more step, right? आपको पता चल ही गया. बाइफरकेट करेंगे तो क्या होगा, इंटीग्रेशन x square dx प्लस इंटीग्रेशन 1 upon 1 plus x square dx हो जाएगा. So this is integration of this is x cube by 3 plus 10 inverse x plus c, right? So proper answer for 84, right? Then what you have to do, then find f of 1. Okay, so we have to compare with this, right? Then fx is x cube by 3. So here therefore f of x is 10 inverse x, and we have to find out f of 1. So take a substituting x is equal to 1, we get 10 inverse 1, that is pi by 4. So pi by 4 is your given answer, that is option B, right? So option B is your correct answer. Now 85. Say example we did, I am writing e raised to x first. Now this is x plus 101. Now what is in numerator? Only 100. And e raised to x means we have to split out fx and f dash x. So I am writing here x plus 101. So minus 1 we required because we have 100 only. So by forgetting this, right, what we get? Integration. If we bifurcate this, I think so there is a square. Here we need square, right? So after bifurcating, we get e raised to 1 upon 1 cancel. So x plus 101 minus 1 upon x plus 101 whole square and dx. This is required. Fx, f dash x, as you know, derivative 1 power more in denominator. So answer will be e raised to x into 1 upon x plus 101 plus c. That is option number C is your correct answer. So option C is your correct answer, right? And this is, we did this type of question for cot. Instead of cot, tan root tan x upon sin x into cos x. Now if we assume for this as t square, then derivative of cot is cosec. So we require 1 upon sin square. So dividing multiply by sin. In that we divide and multiply by cos because there is a tan. Derivative of tan is sec square. So we need sec square. Here we need cosec. So we need sin. So divide and multiply by sin. What we get? Integration root cot x whole upon. This is cos x upon sin x into sin square x dx. Got it? This is cot. This is root cot. So if we take this into numerator, this cot x becomes minus half, right? Because this is half power, minus 1. So minus half, and this is cosec square x dx. Now derivative of cot x is minus cosec square. So divide and multiply by minus. So I am writing multiplying by both minus. So this is your fx and this is f dash x. So answer will be minus cot x raised to minus half plus 1 upon minus half plus 1 and plus c. That is root cot x. And 2 minus 1 is 1 and 2 comes here. So your final answer will be option number. Which option is given? C. Minus 2 root cot x. This is minus, this 2 comes here, and this is cot x raised to half, that is root cot x plus c. That is option number C is your correct answer. So option number C is correct answer. Right? That's it. So यहाँ पे जो हमने मिशन टारगेट दिया था MCQ सॉल्व करने का, वो सब MCQ फिनिश. So this is 86 and previously for integration part 1. Right, we solved the question approximately 74, right? So this is 86 and then 74. So we solve 160. We solve 160 MCQ for one chapter. At other one topic is remaining, that is definite integration. So I hope
that 160 question, right? Totally solve 160 question is enough for your practice. So do practice for these all questions. आपको यही प्रैक्टिस करना है, इसमें सब मेथड आ जाती है, कुछ भी नया बाकी नहीं रहता है, राइट? सो इसका प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, इसको इसमें से कुछ भी कोई क्वेरी नहीं, कोई भी क्वेश्चन आए 160 में से तो आपको पता होना चाहिए हाउ टू सॉल्व, right? And if you are satisfied with these all 160, then go for more MCQs, right? But before that, your Gita, that is your textbook, उसको भी परफेक्ट करना है पार्ट बी के लिए, राइट? वो पहले परफेक्ट कीजिए, राइट? उसके बाद ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस के लिए यही एग्जाम्पल एक बार और कर लीजिए, रिवाइज कर लीजिए, 2 बार इसका रिविजन कर लो, और इसके बाद भी आपको कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आता है, आपको ज्यादा एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व करना है, then do come sorry, then मुझे मिलिए आप, I will give you more questions, right? So do it at home, revise करो, practice कीजिए, right? और ये सब में से कोई भी एग्जाम्पल है तो आपको आना चाहिए, आपका पेपर इसमें से ही आएगा, कोई भी पेपर हो, कोई और नई मेथड इसमें है, इसके बाद है नहीं। अब डिफाइनाइट रहा है तो डिफाइनाइट का भी वर्ड का क्वेश्चन 60-70 तो होगा ही, तो सोचो कि 160 दिस, यदि उसमें भी 70 आ गया तो 230, and 230 MCQ for one chapter is I think lots of for you. जो सॉल्व करके मैं दूंगा, आप सॉल्व करेंगे तो वो तो आप 1000, 2000, 5000, 1 लाख में भी करेंगे, वो आपकी बात है, राइट? सो आप घर पे प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, ओके?